Hey, it's Tom from Pack Hacker, and in this video, we're gonna be comparing the Peak Design packing cubes with the Bluffworks BluffCubes Pro. If you wanna see more videos like this one, please give it a thumbs up so we can keep helping you find the best gear. Let's dive in. Okay, so we have the medium Peak Design packing cube here, which is actually the largest size packing cube that they offer. We have the large Bluffworks Pro Cube here on the right side. In terms of material and hardware, this is a nylon polyester mix. It's a self-healing nylon, so we've actually poked a pin inside of this before and kind of rubbed that hole out. So, you know, that's really interesting material. Feels kind of like a little more rubbery on the Peak Design cubes, and you can hear it's a little more swishy. And then the Bluffworks cube is a little more structured. This is a ripstop nylon that's also brushed. So it feels more structured, it feels more professional. It's a little less swishy. I don't know if you can hear the difference of that, but it's just a little bit more robust of a feel. Now, there is mesh on the Bluffworks cube as well. And then we also have a kind of mesh material inside the Peak Design cube as well when it's uncompressed. Now, for the zippers on these things, there are YKK zippers on the Peak Design packing cube, which they've since changed to Zoom zippers. The ones that we have are a little bit older. And then I'm not entirely sure what the zipper is on the Bluff cubes, but it's definitely not YKK. So just note that. As far as other details, we have Velcro on the Bluff cubes and Hypalon on the Peak Design packing cubes. And that pretty much sums it up. So if I'm gonna compare both of these, let's bring out some clothing from the sides just so we can see how each of these pack. First of all, I'm gonna pack all of this clothing up into the Bluff cube. So I've got 2 pairs of pants, 1 pair of shorts, a button-up shirt, and 2 t-shirts. So let's pack it in and check it out. Okay, so you can see that we packed everything inside and has a top loading way that you pack these together, which is interesting. So whatever's at the bottom would typically be hard to get to, but there is an access point on the side here, which is a zipper that flaps open and allows you to get access to anything that you want inside of the Bluffworks Pro Cube. Now the compression between these two works differently as well. So on the Bluff Cube, the main point of compression is this ribbon right here, or piece of nylon. And I say ribbon because it kind of feels like a ribbon that you would pack a gift with or wrap a gift with for someone, whereas you have more soft and structured seatbelt-like nylon on these Peak Design cubes. So I like this a little bit better on the Peak Design. While we have it open, let's take a look at the mesh. So there's a good amount of breathability here, and it's got this kind of wide mesh. It's very easy to see everything inside. Peak Design has this stretchier mesh that is a little bit smaller with holes. Now, this, when it's open like this, there's some breathability, but ultimately if you're gonna be compressing this down, you're gonna lose that breathability. So we can just note that. All right, and yeah, let's take everything out of here. I mean, I guess one more thing I wanna talk about is just the point of compression being right down the middle. You kind of get this divot here, and it doesn't really round out the sides too much, whereas the Peak Design, when you compress, it takes that whole top because it's zipped down and pulls it all down. So let's take all of the clothing out of the Bluffworks cube and pop it into the Peak Design cube, and let's check it out. Okay, so everything has been packed inside of the Peak Design cube, and you can see how I pulled that down on the sides. Now, one thing to note here, with this zipper, although it pulls everything down, right, and squishes the whole packing cube down versus just the middle of it like we see on the Bluff cube, one thing that can be a pain, especially when this starts getting full, is this excess material. If it's kind of sticking out and really full, it can sometimes be hard to zip it up because it can be in the way. So it's a little bit easier when it's tucked down like this, but overall, I like this style of compression a little bit more. I think it's a little bit more effective because it brings the whole entire thing together versus just the top and the bottom. All right, So now let's talk about some of the nitpicky details and the differences between these two. The first is access. With Peak Design, you grab both of these Hypalon loops here and boom, you open it right up. With the Bluffworks, you're going to be dealing with the Velcro or the zipper on the side, which we talked about earlier. Now this top loading is a little bit less convenient to access with your clothing inside than this side zipper because everything's at the bottom. Whereas with the Peak Design, it lays out in a little tray, which again, I prefer a little bit more. Now, if I'm taking this out too, we can get into a couple of other little nitpicky details. So the first, on the Peak Design Cube, they also offer a way to store your clothing that's dirty. So there's a separate compartment in the back here. There's no mesh, and you can basically store dirty clothing in here. And there's excess fabric on the inside so that you can fill pretty much the entire cube up on this side with dirty clothing and have clean clothing on this side. So it has that separation. With the BluffCube, you don't have that ability, but you do have breathable mesh throughout the entirety of the cube. All right, and then maybe another thing to talk about is just the zipping. Peak Design has two zippers that meet in the middle where this Hypalon, these Hypalon pull tabs are, whereas Bluffworks just has zipping on the one side, which I think is totally fine. I actually prefer the speed of the Bluffworks one a little bit more to the Peak Design because you have just one zipper to go to grab and pull versus on Peak Design you have two. So that's kind of a big difference there. And I just wanted to make this video because the Peak Design packing cubes are still my favorite to date, and I really like them. So there you have it, the Peak Design packing cubes versus the Bluffworks BluffCube, both the largest sizes that they offer. Thank you for keeping it here at Pack Hacker, your guide to smarter travel, and we will see you in the next video.